You get it?
What's this color? Green.
Say yellow.
Yellow.
That's yellow. And this one is
Green.
brown.
Brown.
Brown. Peter, can you stand up and point to the shapes? Can you Wait, let's do the shapes. Peter, can you stand up and do the shapes?
Do this.
Just be careful. Okay, say...
What's this shape, Adam? Star. What's this shape? Triangle. What's this shape? Triangle.
Triangle. Good. Peter, can you point to the letter D?
Huh?
The letter D. It's very big.
Oh,
Peter?
it's bear.
No, up top. Yeah, there's the letter D, Adam. And can you point to a fish 1, fish 2, and fish 3? There we go. And what are we going to learn about today, Adam?
Adam, ABCs.
What are we learning about today? What's the picture of right here?
Let's do the ABCs, Adam.
What are we going to learn about? What's that?
Fire truck.
That's a police officer.
Yes, I said police officer that we were learning about police officers.
You guessed that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we're learning about army people.
You think so? Soldiers?